The problem with many flat roofs is that over time the flat roof will deteriorate. Now, not only will the felt need to be redone, but then there's also all aspects, including very often the guttering. As we can see here, the wood has also begun to rot here because the roof has not been dealt with, so the felt no longer is able to stop water getting through to the wood, and this has caused some rot in this flat roof here, as we can see. So now, not only will the felt need to be redone, but there's also a good chance that some new timber will need to be placed over the top of the roof to make sure that it does not rot further and eventually collapse. This is something that we can do. I'm more than happy to provide a quote free of charge.